Hello guys, this is Joe and Alex making another GTA 5 video today. We're just going to be doing some stunts on with the stunt plane sprunk paint job. We're just going to get right into it, so yeah, let's go. To start off with, we're just going to fly through the windmills. Nothing spectacular, but could be fun. So, if comment about what your favourite plane actually is and see if it compares to mine, because mine is the army jet. I can't remember what it's called.
Something like that.
That's not what it's called, Alex. Yeah, so I like the army jet. And also comment your favourite helicopter. Alex, which way is the windmills? This way, eh?
Yeah. Just there. Past them.
Yeah.
Go that way. Straight that way.
Oh, they're this way. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they're this way.
One of the two.
I don't know. We'll find them. Eventually. Heaps of
Telephone poles.
Yeah, what do you need all them for? I don't know, but might try and do some stunts today, guys.
No dump trucks down there now.
Oh, there's the windmills. See, Alex? Look
Oh.
like telephone poles, but anyway. Okay, so we're just gonna fly through these. Bit of stunting happening. Alex, what do you reckon we should do for our next video?
We should do some more tricks or something.
Okay. Okay, down.
Oops.
Literally failed hard. Okay, we're just going to, I don't know, get up to the top of this little hill thing here. And I will spawn in another stunt plane. So what did you say for our next video, Alex?
Do some more stunts and that.
With what?
Dirt bike. Dirt biking. Have a dirt bike or
No, we'll decide. People can decide. Leave down in the comments what you would like our next video to be. We're just gonna fly straight through the windmills now. The stunt plane is, if you want to buy it, it's pretty cheap, but you can go on like websites like Game FAQs, Game Facts, and there's cheat codes that you put in. You have to put them in moderately fast, and as you can see, well, at the moment I have invincibility on, and yeah, so we might try and fly under some bridges, I guess. Bit of knife flight over there. This house is a high drug lord house that Trevor had, the one that we just passed, that one there. It's a mission for Trevor. It's a pretty strange mission, because the old lady that is his wife actually falls in love with Trevor, and it's pretty weird. Alex, are you looking forward to GTA 6 coming out?
yeah, that'll be certainly interesting.
So they reckon that'll be almost the whole of America on GTA. Oh, I'm missing all these bridges here. Fly under this one, Alex?
Yep.
Oh, should be easy. No, invincibility is deactivated, so if we crash now, we'll die. Oh, no. Can't fly under them too. Okay, a bit of a skinny one here. Don't land in the water. Jet skis for some reason, just chilling. I'll fly under this bridge here. up here. Should we try a knife flight through there?
Yeah, if you want. I know it's pretty hard, but worth a shot.
It's gonna be hard, ladies and gentlemen, but nope. Ah.